What's up guys, welcome back to a brand new awesome video. Today I'm going to be showing you all my squishies. So the first one is my massive big butter squishy. That is really big, it's bigger than my head actually. I got this about 3 days ago. Maybe 2 days ago I think, can't remember. The next one is this, it's fake, the rainbow butter squishy. I got this about a month ago or 6 weeks ago or something. This one's my second to first one. So yeah, and then I've got this butter squishy. It's same as the big one but smaller. This one is a 4 and that's a 14. The next one is, I got this little one. I got it off my mate. So yeah, the next one, it isn't a squishy but it's a fidget. It's like a spinner. Yeah. The next one is a little tiny dumpling. I think it's purple glitter dumpling. The next one is Nido, little Nido. So yeah, next one is my dumpling. I got this about yesterday, and I got this one yesterday. The next one is this one. I got this one from Freeport. It's fake, maybe a bit real. So yeah, I got that about 5 days ago, maybe a week. Then I've got another Nido. It's same as that one. I got this about 6-7 days ago. Next one is my big, large Nido. It's massive. Look at that. It's so hard to squish to. Oh, getting hard. Oh, it's so hard to get back in. The next one is this, like orange one. I got this off my mate too. So yeah, that's all my squishies. Oh, and I've got this one. It ain't a squishy, but it's just like all that thing, keyring. So yeah, that's all my squishies and fidgets. Don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. Bye. If you like that. Peace.